Did you know that the police use much more equipment and technology than you could ever imagine? You already knew about handcuffs, radios, or flashlights, but what I will show you here is nothing from that list. It's the equipment that we very rarely have the opportunity to see, so get ready to see 10 crazy police gadgets you've never seen before. A police chase is very dangerous, both for the police and the fugitive, as well as for other road users. In order to reduce the risk to a minimum, many police departments have started using the Grappler police bumper. The Grappler is a device that works by lowering a net from the front of the pursuing police car with the push of a button to catch the suspect vehicle's rear tire wrapping around the axle. Once the Grappler has taken control of the suspect vehicle, the officer can release a tether from the police cruiser and return to a safe distance. The vehicle comes to a controlled stop within a few seconds, without the officer needing to force a collision. In addition, the Grappler keeps the suspect vehicle from risking public safety or departing the scene. As other methods were very dangerous, this is one of the safest methods for stopping the vehicle that's in pursuit. Before using a gun on a fugitive, the police use a teaser gun, but it all depends on the situation. And what you see here is a BolaWrap, a device that is much safer than tasers. A BolaWrap is a handheld gadget used to remotely restrain uncooperative individuals by deploying a Kevlar cable that wraps around their arms or legs. In that way, it will prevent the suspect from attacking or running away. It is intended to safeguard subjects, officers, and staff by lowering the chance that they would be injured or killed in the course of their duties. The range that is effective is from 10 to 25 feet, or from 3 to 7.6 meters. And the great thing about BolaWrap is that it doesn't use chemicals, electricity, or anything else that hurts, so it doesn't rely on pain compliance. There are so many head protection helmets, and some are better than others. This is the Batlskin head protection system, and it is the first system of its kind that is both fully integrated and made up of separate parts. It is the most advanced shell on the market, and they are made from advanced, hybridized materials that are cut, bonded, and pressed using new machinery and production methods. All of these parts are made as good as they can be on their own and then fit together perfectly. This makes head protection systems that offer the best protection against blunt force, blast, and ballistics, and improve operational performance by making them lighter and easier to set up. Some law enforcement agencies use GPS bullets that they can fire at cars so they don't have to go after them at high speeds. The GPS tracker sounds like it should be on the Batmobile, but it's a real thing made by a company called Starchase. The non-lethal device is launched from the grille of a police car and sticks to the car of a suspect. Officers can then follow it with a cell phone or laptop so they don't have to go on a dangerous high-speed chase. It does have some bad things about it, though. The device only tracks the car, so if the car is abandoned, police could lose track of a suspect. In any case, it is a much safer option than chasing the vehicle, because there is a much lower risk of fatal car accidents when the vehicle is not chased. The current barriers are so big and heavy that it's hard for officers to get into place. This folding origami shield makes it easier than ever to make a safe, bulletproof barrier. It is made of 12 layers of woven Kevlar and can stop bullets from a .44 caliber Magnum. It's simple to fold up so you can move it quickly and easily. This origami shield only weighs 55 pounds or 16.7 kilograms, which is a lot less than most shields. In the world we live in today, robots do more jobs than ever before. This one is a patrol robot made by a company called SMP Robotics. With the Prompt Patrol robot, smart video surveillance can be done at medium distances while the robot is moving. The prompt is made to patrol continuously, which makes it easy to keep control of any size of the property. With smart patrolling of the property by several robots, which can be done in different ways, it would be hard for an intruder to know when the robots will show up. If there isn't enough artificial light at night, the robot can use its own infrared light, to work in total darkness. The robot guard was equipped with a PTZ thermal camera. Automatic number plate recognition is the technology that uses a car's number plate to identify it. With automatic number plate recognition cameras, the technology can scan a number plate and forward the accompanying action to the gate system. This gives a more modern version of vehicle access control and reduces the need for human labor since ANPR technology can work on its own. Any ANPR system has a number plate reader that can read plates with a high level of accuracy. This number plate recognition camera takes a picture of a license plate, and the ANPR technology turns that picture into text that can be read by a computer. This technology uses optical character recognition to create a number plate with a code that can be read digitally. In terms of controlling vehicle access, this means that any authorized vehicle can get in quickly and easily by being recognized by ANPR. And what I will show you next is simply terrifying. It's a robot dog with a mounted rifle on it. It's just unbelievable that the robots that we watched only in sci-fi movies are becoming a reality. And what you will see now is a robot dog with a machine gun mounted on the back. As you can see, this looks really terrifying. And it's only a matter of time before it will start to produce massively. Boston Dynamics is the most well-known company that makes four-legged robots, and the company has a strict policy against turning its machines into weapons. But it looks like other manufacturers aren't as picky. Skywall Patrol is an operationally deployed device that allows a mobile operator to physically capture a drone in a net. It is utilized with electronic countermeasures for layered defense or in environments where an electronic attack cannot be used. After targeting the drone with the smart scope, it launches a missile using compressed air. Conventional guns rarely disable drones and can escalate a situation when employed near large crowds. Skywall Patrol can be used as a solo drone defense solution or linked with a security system using the Skylink module to create a powerful anti-drone package. Spot is an agile mobile robot that navigates the terrain with exceptional mobility, allowing routine inspection tasks and data collecting safely, precisely, and frequently. As I mentioned before, Boston Dynamics does not want to put weapons on their robots, so this one does not have any machine guns or rifles. However, this robotic dog can perform several tasks. A variety of government agencies, including the police, are using it. You can use the Spot to safely explore dangerous or hazardous environments from a distance. It can also carry a variety of radiation detection payloads and undertake autonomous radiation mapping activities. The Spot's greatest advantage is its ability to access areas that are hazardous or otherwise inaccessible to people. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of various tech and gadgets reviews and much more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.